All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are taking advantage of the extended hours on Thursday night, and we are going into ArtBasel Unlimited, which is the large-scale freestanding sculpture and installations section of the fair. And on Thursday night, it's open till 10:30. So we're recording this at probably 8:30. I haven't even looked. We went home and had dinner, came back, and the next thing you see will be images from the fair. Plenty of dining and imbibing space here. This is a very different vibe from the main fair, at least the first floor, which is all we got accomplished today. This feels a little more energetic and hipper. Of course, it's in the evening and people are drinking. So we're heading in. You can sort of see 150 or something foot long Keith Haring mural that's been transported from New York. I've got to go because I've got to be able to scan my pass, but we'll pick up in a moment. Okay, we are in, and this is a really cool aspect. I remember Sofa in Chicago tried this years ago, but nothing at this scale. But here you go with stuff that just won't fit in a regular booth, but is certainly suited toward or for museums, major collections like Rouvel and Margulies and folks like that, many of the foundations here in Europe. Obviously there's a huge Kusama here. We saw several bigger than person-sized Kusamas in the fair itself, but here's some more of that herring, by the way. I mean, talk about history, right? So, you can just see back there in the corner, that's a VW bug that was wrapped by Christo. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Wouldn't it be cool if every art fair had a section like this? Both for you as the attendee and for the artists to really kind of let loose and, you know, create at a bigger scale. Yeah, I'm pretty blown away by this personally. I think this is really cool. If I haven't already said cool 13 times. Sad to say, storage is an issue on the phone right now, so we're actually going to have to call it and go back to a few pictures, but yeah, this is really, oh man, look at this. It just doesn't quit. Yeah, very, very cool. Big video pieces. Look at this, big digital. Wow. Okay, this is super exciting. Hopefully we can bring you more in a little bit.